All right, so once you set up the system, Brightlink, you plug it in, you take one of the pins, which is right here, grab this because we may need this to collaborate to the user's preferences, but this will come in handy. I'll show you that 1 second, but essentially here's the board. Once you collaborate through the pin, Brightlink software allows you to pinpoint exactly what you want to do, and you see this is, you see the extent of where you can press with this. I mean, it's right to the tip of it. And if a user realizes it's off a little bit to the left or right, you can always, it's very easy to do. You can click on user, which does that. It asks you to, do you want to I can't speak today, collaborate on this bad boy here, and then we're gonna hit no for now. Or if it gets real sensitive, you can click on advance, which allows you to pinpoint tip, which allows you to exactly get down to the nitty gritty of where you want the pen to be on the screen. So that's how that's done. So essentially, and again, I don't need to launch the smartboard software. If you need me to, I can send you another video. But if I launch a smartboard software on the computer, again, I can still do what I need to do. You can take the smartboard pens. You can use one of these pens here, download it, write all over it, do what you want to do. And again, you're still good to go. So again, the Brightlink software works perfect on the smartboard software, and we have better accuracy. And we now know that we can project from the many mobile devices that we have to the Brightlink through Apple TV, which is very simple to do. I can show you guys how to do that and add it to the network. We name it and we're good to go. And that's it. So here's a cabinet to which we can put the DVD player, VCR, close it. And again, a lot of our teachers present through here, they're mobile, or they sit down with the kids. All right, here you go.
How does that work? No, like legit, how does that work? I don't get how that works.
Call model.
No.
It's returning this message, it's returning this journal.
But why is the see, wait, no, you just need my exists already.
Yeah. Get model. And then you need to cast the result to your specific type. So in here on the left-hand side, between the equal and the W, you put empty parentheses.
No.
And in the parentheses, you need to put the specific type.
So what I want to show you right now is I want to show you how to project using the different mobile devices we have in the school, iPhones, laptops, iPads, to the Brightlink projector through Apple TV. Here is our podium right here, which contains a DVD player, Apple TV. All we need is a projector remote for all this stuff, the remote for the Apple TV. And on the back of this bad boy, we have the USB cord. We have the different inputs, VGA, Ethernet cord, HDMI. This is for the interactivity to the Brightlink technology or smartboard software. And again, what I'll show you right now is most teachers leave their laptops up here, which I'll show you in another video when I connect the Brightlink up. So essentially, right now, I'm in the back of the classroom projecting from the teacher's computer, and this is room 108, and that's all I do is click on it right here, and then we are good to go. But if I want to use mobile devices like we have in all of our schools, I want to use AirPlay and do the same exact thing, and I want to show mirroring here. It's saying being used by somebody else, which is exactly right. So all I'm going to do is come back here, disconnect, so that I can have student 1 project to it. Apple TV, we're going to mirror. I'm going to punch in. There we go. And there's student number one. And if I want student number 2 to be able to project from his or her iPad, I'm going to log into the iPad. I'm already on we have different networks here. I'm on the faculty network here. And I'm just going to make sure I unmirror this computer here and hit AirPlay. And I'm going to room 108, which is right here. And when I turn around, I'm going to hit mirroring. There we go. I'm going to punch in a code that's on the screen, which is 9311. 9311, and I turn around, and there it is. So essentially you see that a lot of our teachers project through the Apple TVs from all around the room. Our kids project from all their different mobile devices, all via the BrightLink projector, no cords hooked up, what so have you, and we place all this stuff through our podium right here. Here's a regular board, and I will show you in the next video how we hook up using the SmartBoard software to a BrightLink.